Oh, the pizza is here. I ordered pizza, right?
Hello, I have your order.
Oh, wait. This is not my order. I wanted a pizza, not a salad.
Your order is from our operator.
Oh no, I think I said it wrong. What should I do? I am so embarrassed. I don't want to be rude. Maybe I should just pay and forget. Why English is so hard? I just wanted pizza. That is not so difficult, right? But my words are wrong. Maybe I am not good at English. What if everyone laughs at me? I should learn more. I really want to speak better. Okay, Emma, calm down. It's just pizza. It's okay. But I feel sad. I wish I could say it correctly. Maybe someone can help me. Maybe Neo, my neighbor. Yes, he can help me. But now I just wait. Okay, breathe. Next time I will do better. I can learn, step by step.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Neo.
What happened? You look sad.
Oh, the pizza. It is wrong.
Wrong pizza?
Yes, I wanted a pizza, not salad.
Oh, no. That is okay. Mistakes happen.
Hello, the order was from our operator.
I see. Emma, don't worry. You can learn how to say it next time.
I feel bad. I said it wrong.
It's okay. It happens to everyone. Sometimes I make mistakes too. Last week, I ordered coffee. I said tea instead.
Really?
Yes, everyone laughed. Me too.
That is funny.
The important thing is to try. Don't feel sad.
But I wanted it right.
I know. That is why I will help you. We can practice together.
Really? You will help me?
Yes, you will learn slowly, step by step. Next time ordering food will be easy.
Thank you, Neo. I feel better.
Good. That's what friends do.
Okay, I will try next time.
Yes, mistakes are normal. You are brave, Emma.
Brave? I feel small.
No, brave. You try English.
Okay, brave Emma.
Yes, brave Emma. Okay, Emma. Now we practice ordering food.
Okay, Neo, I am ready.
First, you need to know what you want.
Pizza? Yes, I want pizza.
Yes, and drink. You can choose water or juice.
Water, yes. Water is easy.
Good. Next, you say hello first.
Hello,
Perfect. Then say your order.
I want pizza.
Yes. Say politely, I would like pizza, please.
I would like pizza, please.
Excellent. Now add drink.
I would like water, please.
Very good. Now, sometimes people ask questions.
Questions?
Yes, like, what size do you want?
Size? Large or small?
Yes, you can say large, please, or small, please.
Large, please.
Perfect. In America, sometimes people order by phone.
By phone?
Yes, I call and say, hello, I want pizza.
Hello, I want pizza.
Good, but say politely, hello, I would like to order a pizza, please.
I would like to order a pizza, please.
Excellent. You sound very polite.
Polite is important.
Yes, people like polite words.
Okay, I remember.
Sometimes mistakes happen. Last week, I called for pizza. I said, I want cheese pasta instead of pizza.
Really, Neo?
Yes, very funny. The person laughed.
You laughed too?
Yes, we laughed together.
That is nice.
Now, another example. Imagine in a restaurant, face to face. You greet first. Hi, I would like to order, please.
Hi, I would like to order, please.
Then you tell your order slowly.
I would like pizza with cheese, please.
Perfect. And then the waiter asks, what drink do you want?
Water, please.
Excellent. Neo, I remember first time I ordered coffee in America.
Really? What happened?
I said, I want a coffee with milk and sugar, please, but I forgot sugar.
Oh no.
Yes, the waiter looked at me. I said, oops, I forgot sugar.
That is okay.
Yes, we laughed. I learned for next time.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes are normal.
I like mistakes.
Yes, fun mistakes. Now practice some phrases. Can I have?
Can I have pizza, please?
Very good. I would like.
I would like water, please.
Excellent. Sometimes people ask, do you want dessert?
Dessert?
Yes, cake, ice cream.
Oh, cake. I want cake.
Good. I would like cake, please.
I would like cake, please.
Perfect. Another tip when you don't understand.
Don't understand?
Yes, sometimes they speak fast.
Oh, I don't understand.
You say, sorry, can you say it slowly, please?
Sorry, can you say it slowly, please?
Excellent. Very polite.
Okay, Neo, I try.
Let's do a small game. I will be waiter, you order food.
Okay, I am ready.
Hello, what do you want today?
Hello, I would like, pizza with cheese, please.
What drink do you want?
Water, please.
Very good. And dessert?
I would like, cake, please.
Perfect. You did it.
I did it.
Yes, you speak very well.
Really, Neo?
Yes, mistakes are okay. You tried and spoke English.
I am happy.
Now, sometimes mistakes happen even for me.
Really? Tell me.
Yes, one time I said, I want a pizza with fish.
Fish on pizza?
Yes, I wanted chicken, not fish.
Oh, Neo, that is funny.
Yes, funny mistake. People laughed, I laughed.
Mistakes make learning fun.
Yes, very important. Fun learning. Now, another tip. When ordering online.
Online?
Yes, use apps. You click your food. Sometimes you choose wrong, like me.
Neo always makes mistakes.
Yes, but you learn.
I want to remember, I would like, please.
Yes, always polite words. Add drink, size, dessert if you want.
Okay, Neo, I understand.
In America, sometimes people ask, do you want it for here or to go?
To go?
Yes, for here means eat here. To go means take away.
Oh, I see. I want pizza to go.
Perfect.
I learned so much today.
Yes, and you practiced with me. Remember, order slowly, be polite, mistakes are okay.
Neo, can I tell you something?
Yes, Emma, what is it?
One time, I tried ordering coffee at my school cafe. I said, I want big coffee, no milk, yes, milk.
What happened?
The cashier laughed, and I laughed too.
That is good. You learned from it.
Yes, now I feel ready.
Neo, you see, everyone makes mistakes. Even me, even teachers, even native speakers.
That makes me happy.
Yes, learning is about trying, making mistakes, and having fun.
I like this. I want to practice every day.
Good idea, Emma. Practice every day.
I will order pizza, drinks, desserts, everything.
Brave Emma. Confident Emma.
Thank you, Neo. You are a great teacher.
No, you did it yourself. I just guide you. You try, speak, and learn.
I like this learning style, fun and human.
Yes, English is better when you enjoy.
Okay, next step, I want to try real restaurant ordering.
Yes, and I will be with you.
I'm a little nervous, but excited.
Perfect. That's how learning works. Nervous but excited.
Nervous but excited Emma.
Yes, that is you. Brave, confident, and ready.
Hi, welcome to our restaurant.
Hi, thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I would like a pizza, please.
What size would you like?
A large pizza, please.
Sure. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, water, please.
No problem. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I would like some cake for dessert, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay. May I have your name for the order?
Yes, my name is Emma.
Thank you, Emma. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, how long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your order.
Thank you. It smells great.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, friends. I am Emma. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Today, we learned how to order food in English. We practiced polite phrases. I practiced with Neo. Now I can order pizza, drinks, and dessert. You can practice too. Try to say, I would like, please. Add drink, size, dessert if you want, and ask if you don't understand. I have a question for you. What is your favorite food to order in English? Write your answer in the comments. I want to read your sentences. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, English Coffee Time, and click the bell to see more videos. I will make more videos to help you speak English. Don't worry, you can do it. Practice step by step and have fun. See you in the next video. Bye, friends.